Hey, this is Steve for B&M Performance and Off-Road. Today I'm happy to introduce our B&M Precision Sportshifter for the 1990 through 1998 Jeep Wrangler TJ models equipped with the AX15 manual transmission. This shifter features a 303 stainless steel stick, CNC machine T6061 aluminum base, a short throw reduction by 30% for quicker shifts, and positive shift points that you can depend on both on off-roading and everyday use on the road. To finish off the shifter, this has an awesome B&M black shift ball with a nice logo engraved right on top. Now I'm ready to get this installed on our 1997 Jeep Wrangler TJ, so let's get started. Okay, we're in our 1997 Jeep Wrangler TJ. We're going to upgrade to that new Precision Sport Shifter. Now this can be done from the top side of the vehicle, so all you have to do is remove your center console. Now this is easy. All you got to do is remove the shift knob, remove the boot, and then underneath the boot there is a bolt right here. We're going to go ahead and put the shifter into four-wheel drive. Go ahead and pull the e-brake up, make sure your shifter stick is in neutral, and then inside the console here, there's going to be two more bolts down below, and then right here on the passenger side, there's going to be a bolt here and a bolt right about there. Once you get this all removed, go ahead and pick up on the back side, and you're just going to carefully remove the center console. Next, we're going to take off the four bolts holding this boot in. Okay. Now go ahead and pull the boot up. Remove the two bolts in the front of the shifter and in the back of the shifter. Now once you remove those two, go ahead and just pull straight up and pull your shifter out. So on your stock shifter, the one part you're going to reuse is this little nylon cup bushing here. You want to make sure you clean and inspect it and make sure it has no cracks or it's not broken. If it is, this is the time to go ahead and replace it. So now we got our new B&M Precision Sport Shifter. We're gonna go ahead and snap on that factory nylon cup bushing here. Just push down on it. All right, now once that's on, you wanna make sure you clean and then degrease any area around the top of the shifter. Then once that's done, go ahead and take some RTV silicone sealer. And we're gonna go ahead and go around the base here. Now we'll go ahead and just drop it down, then reinstall the bolts. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on the boot and the support ring. Now when you slide this over the stick, once you get down to the base, you're going to have to take your two fingers and open up the clamp and slide it over the base. Okay. All right, next we're going to go ahead and reinstall the boot. It's going to go on top of the tunnel here. We'll just slide it down and reinstall the four bolts. Okay. Now that we have our Precision Sport Shifter installed in our vehicle, we're ready to go ahead and reinstall the center console. Now we're going to put on the factory boot that goes on the console. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and put on the lock nut for the shift ball. And then we'll go ahead and screw on the shift ball. Okay. Alright, this TJ is upgraded now with a new Precision Sport Shifter. This is a great addition for off-roading or for everyday use. This is an easy at-home installation with all necessary parts and hardware. So I hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.